Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Well, welcome. Today's video is going to be all about Firmoo's Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. I'm going to show you the two pairs of glasses that they kindly sent over. I'm also going to show you some outfits that I paired the glasses with, so if you guys want to see the glasses and hear about their Black Friday deals, then keep watching. Like I said in the intro, Black Friday and Cyber Monday are right around the corner, and glasses can actually make a really great gift. Firmoo has so many different frames to choose from, and they have so many lenses to also choose from. Firmoo offers prescription lenses, which I'm actually wearing right now. They also have no color, blue light, driving, photochromatic, polarized, and transition lenses. The frame options are endless. You can pick frames that fit your face shape, or if you just know a specific shape that you like square or round, they have that too. They also have fun shapes like hearts, and they have glasses for kids. Glasses make a great gift because if you know someone that works from home, blue light glasses are a great option if they're staring at the computer all day long. If you know someone that loves sunglasses, I love a good pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses are always a great gift, especially in the winter time when there's snow. You know that the sun reflects off that snow and you need a good pair of sunglasses from when you're out and driving. Or if you know someone that's like me and hates driving at night, driving glasses are also a really great option. If you guys are interested in picking up any glasses from Firmoo, I do have a 50% off code where you will get 50% off your frames. It will be on the screen and everything will be in the description box. So now let me show you the glasses. Each pair of glasses comes in this really nice plastic case. I really like that. And then the glasses also come in this really cute pouch, which is a pouch and a cleaning cloth, which I think is genius. The first glasses are the Shirley 2113 in pink, pattern C2, and I got driving lenses on these. I got driving lenses because I have astigmatism and driving at night is a nightmare. This is what they look like on. I think they look really cute. I just love this kind of shape, as you could tell from my prescription glasses. I just wanted a pink pair because I thought that would be fun. I'm just going to be driving in these. I like that the frames aren't super pink. It's like a more neutral pink. I think they're really cute. I will be completely honest with you guys. I did wear these to drive the other night. It was a very dark, rainy night. These helped me so much. And then I got a pair of sunglasses, and these are the Judy 163, and these are $39. They are a black frame, and I love this little like blue diamond right there. It's a very dark blue. I love how dark the lenses are in these sunglasses. I think they're perfect. Cannot wait to wear them. I have not worn them yet, but this is what they look like on. I just love a big sunglass frame. I just think they're so cute. These are $39 and they are very nice quality. They feel expensive, but they're very affordable. If you want to get any glasses from Firmoo for yourself or for a loved one this holiday season, check out that 50% off code in the description box. Now I'm going to show you some outfits that I paired the glasses with. Okay, tell me which outfit was your favorite down below, and don't forget, if you guys want to pick up any glasses for Black Friday or Cyber Monday from Firmoo, you can get 50% off frames using my link down below, and again, I'll have the code on the screen. And that was it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!